It's your boy Crypto Millie back with another one, man. We gotta have a conversation. In today's video, we're gonna be talking about ZBCN. Now, this is gonna be a quick video. I'm not gonna go over the use case, the utility, or all of the fluff about the inside connections and down the rabbit hole. But I want to point out that this is a golden opportunity for anybody that frankly believes that this project can disrupt a $1 trillion industry, which is the payroll industry. Bottom line, I'm looking at Zebec at the weekly. It came right back down to our golden pocket between the 618 and 786, which I called. I always say that this is the sweet spot, right? You can use the Fibonacci's to kind of find the sweet spots. We call them magnets in crypto from a TA perspective. I'm just looking for ZBCN to print that buy candle. I believe it's going to, if the altcoin market continues to pick up, when you think about the liquidity and capital that could be coming in from the big beautiful bill as far as the economy, and also possible Fed cuts. And even if we don't get the Fed cuts, cool, fine. QT doesn't end, but the economy is strong enough for us to see an altcoin rally. So I'm simply just waiting for us to print that buy signal here on ZBCN. It's probably going to print when the stock RSI resets and we come down to retest these moving averages, which is the 21-day EMA and 50-day moving averages. Normally you see that buy signal come in right when you go to retest some of these moving averages, which I believe is, again, a sweet spot for a project like ZBCN that ran out but has a lot of demand, also generates revenue. So when you think about some of the things that they're working on, I think a lot of people overreact when they see a dip. Guys, this is cryptocurrency. This is what's supposed to happen. As long as the fundamentals do not change, you know, it shouldn't shake your resolve or belief in the project. Zebec just added a few new compliance advisors, so they're working to do the right thing, right? To stay away from money laundering and securities and all the stuff that crypto companies face, right? Because they're always scrutinized, heavy scrutiny whenever you're doxed inside cryptocurrency. So you see that these guys don't mind showing their face. They're working to do things the right way. It's always good to be part of these utility and use case tokens that have meme coin types of communities. Now, I'm not calling Zebec a meme coin. By far, we know it's not. But the community, the way that it thrives, the way that it stays bullish and holds that resolve is something that you want to pay attention to with the project with such strong fundamentals. So, you know, for anybody that was waiting to get into ZBCN, you got this nice little golden box between 202 and 20, right around 2 pennies, right? We also can come to retest the former high here, which is normal. Like I said, it sits right around the 21-day EMA, the previous high, which is about 2019. I'm sorry, I don't know why I said a penny. I was so focused on Jasmine, but 20119. But the 2019. But the fact that this is under a penny, that's actually another positive for utility and use case, right? Because it's similar to a penny stock. New normies, when they come into crypto and they can buy a good cryptocurrency that's listed on all exchanges that's under a penny, what a thriving community, meaning you see it on TikTok, you see it on YouTube, you see it on crypto Twitter. That is the perfect recipe for an explosion in a altcoin environment that's full of liquidity, pending that we do get some type of Fed cuts or the liquidity gets pumped into this economy based on the capital that may come from this big beautiful bill. I recommend you guys to do some research and see some of the sectors that some of this money is coming into. So very bullish on Zebec, even more and like I told in the chat, I don't really like to use the word bullish, but even more conviction for a project like this that's coming to retest, because I personally think it's going to pick up new buyers the more stronger we get closer to that Q4 and retail returns to crypto. Anyway, let me know what you think about the Zebec correction. It's your boy Crypto Millie. I'll see you in the next one.